I stand before you today deeply troubled by the recent actions of our police chief. His blatant disregard for the First Amendment and his abuse of power cannot be ignored. The chilling effect on free speech and the erosion of public trust he has caused demand immediate action. As you know, I was threatened with arrest for exercising my right to speak out at a city council meeting. This violation of my fundamental rights was not only wrong, but it was also a clear violation of established law. For years, courts have consistently held that citizens have the right to criticize public officials without fear of reprisal. The police chief's actions directly contradicted this well-settled precedent. But the harm goes far beyond my personal experience. The police chief's threat has sent a chilling message to every citizen of this city. It has instilled a fear of speaking out, of questioning authority, and of participating in the democratic process. This is an unacceptable outcome in a free society. Furthermore, the police chief's actions have severely damaged public trust in our law enforcement. People expect their police to uphold the law, not to break it. When public officials abuse their power and go unpunished, it erodes the foundation of public trust and leaves citizens feeling vulnerable and unheard. We cannot stand by and allow this to happen. We must hold our public officials accountable for their actions, regardless of their position. Qualified immunity cannot be a shield for abuses of power. It is crucial that we send a clear message. No one is above the law, not even the police chief. Therefore, I urge you to take the following actions. Initiate an independent investigation. We need a thorough and impartial investigation into the police chief's conduct. This investigation should be free from any internal bias and should hold the chief accountable for his actions. Relieve the police chief of his duties. The police chief has lost the trust of the community and can no longer effectively lead our police department. He should be immediately relieved of his duties until the investigation is complete. Advocate for the abolishment of qualified immunity. Qualified immunity is a legal doctrine that shields public officials from lawsuits over their actions, even when those actions violate the law. This doctrine has been abused and has allowed countless cases of police misconduct to go unpunished. We must advocate for its abolishment to ensure that justice is served and that public officials are held accountable. Let us not forget that the core of a free society rests upon the protection of individual liberties. We must ensure that our voices can be heard without fear, that our rights are respected, and that those who wield power are held accountable for their actions. Thank you for your time and consideration.